In this video, we are going to see how to send Microsoft Outlook email for new InstaMojo payments. So let's say that you have used InstaMojo as a payment gateway and now every time a successful sale happens there, then you want a mail to be sent to the admin talking about the product details and the buyer's details. Now how can that be done? For this, you will have to integrate these two applications, and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect software. So here your trigger application will be InstaMojo and your action application here will be Microsoft Office 365. Now, every time a sale happens, automatically a mail would be sent. And how can you do this? Yourself integrate and automate this entire process. To understand that, let me take you to my screen. To begin with the process, we are first going to type the URL pabbly.com/connect, and as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On the right hand side, you can see two options: sign in and sign up for free. So if you are an existing user, simply click on sign in. If you are a new user, click on this tab sign up. It won't take more than 2 minutes, and also at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks. So now I'm going to click on sign in. As I do that, here we have reached all applications page. Let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. Now as we do that, we have reached the dashboard. On the right hand side, you can see a tab create workflow. Let's click on this and a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name this workflow. Now you can give any random name. So here, what is my objective? My objective is every time there is a successful payment made through InstaMojo payment gateway, then automatically a mail should be sent either to the admin or to the user. So I'm going to name it as send Microsoft Outlook email for new InstaMojo payment. So now I'm going to click on create. As I do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens. Action says do this. Basically, action here is the response of your trigger application. Now as per this integration, my trigger application will be InstaMojo. Let's click on this. Now what is the trigger event? So this is the event that is going to make this workflow run, and here it would be new sale. So this workflow is going to trigger when a new sale or successful payment is done through InstaMojo. Now here you can see that we have received a webhook URL which is going to act as a bridge for connecting Pabbly Connect with InstaMojo. I'm going to copy this. And then we have to follow the following steps. So I've already logged into my InstaMojo account. Now we have to click on the product for which we wish to set the webhook. And then we have to paste this URL. Let me show you how. So this is my InstaMojo dashboard. And now here you can see Smart Pages. Let's click on this. So here you can see all the products that I already have created, and there are various pages created. Now let's say that I want to do this integration for this particular product, MS Office language. So I'm going to click on these three dots. Now here you can see the option edit page. Let's click on this. Now as you do that, here you can see that you can customize the entire page. This is the page header. Then you can provide the title here. Then the cover image or video can be placed here. As I take you down, then the page theme, appearance, etc. This is the pricing. Then again, as I take you down. So here you can see under page settings, we have add webhook, enter the webhook URL. So this URL that we have received, I'm going to copy this once again, go back here and paste this over here. Now once done, here you can enter more information. I'm simply going to click on save and update. Let's click on yes, save and update. So here you can see that Smart Page MS Office language edited successfully. Now going back to Pabbly Connect, here it is saying that now do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response, which basically means that now I have to make a sale. So I'm going to InstaMojo once again. Let's go to the three dots. Here I'm going to share the page. So here you can see this is the link that we have received. I'm going to copy this and open this in a new incognito window. Let's paste this over here. And now this is the payment page. So let's click on pay now. And here I'm going to fill in the information. Let's say the first name is Smart, last name is user. Then we have the email address smartuser12@pabblytudes.com. Then here we have the mobile number. So this is, once I've entered this, I'm going to click on proceed to pay. So here you can see that we have received the QR code for the same. So now I'm going to make the payment. And here you can see that the payment has been successful. So once this is done, going back to Pabbly Connect, let's see if we have received the response. And here you can see that we have received the response. So the payment status is shown as success. Then here we have the payment currency. Then this is the amount. As I take you down, this is the name of the product and this is the amount type. Then again, as I take you down, here we have the details of the bio. Now what is my objective? I want to send a mail to Microsoft Outlook 365. So I'm going to click on this action application. Here I'm going to select Microsoft Office 365. Then what is the action event? Send email. Let's click on connect. So again, I've already logged into my Microsoft Office 365 account. I'm going to click on add new connection, connect with Microsoft Office 365. So as I do that, here you can see that here Pabbly Connect is asking for the access. Let's go down and click on yes. So once we do that, here you can see that the authorization has been successful. So now as I take you down, here we have to fill in this information. First of all, the subject. So the subject here would be new sales order. Okay. Then what is the content type? It is plain. Now what is the body content? So let's say that I am writing a mail to my team about this new order where I want to share the order details as well as the buyer's details. So I'm going to write team. We have received a new sales order through InstaMojo. Let's enter the details. So first of all, here I'm going to write the product name. So for this, I'm going to map the information. How? So you can see the previous step here. Let's click on this. As I take you down, this is the name of the product. Now the method with which I have added the information here is known as mapping, which is important so that every time the workflow runs, it can take the new data into consideration. The next thing is here, the amount. So here again, I'm going to go down and this here is the amount. The next thing is buyer's details. Buyer's name. So for this, let's go down here and this here is the buyer's name. Then we have the email address. So the email address here would be this. Then let's enter the contact number. So the contact number here is this. So once we have entered this information, I'm just going to write regards. And now the recipient. So this is a static information because the name and email address of the admin is not going to change. So I'm just going to write this manually. So this is outlook.com. And now I'm going to click on save and send test request. So as I do that, here you can see that I have received the response according to which a mail must be sent to this email address. Let's go and check the same. So here, yes, you can see that I have received a new mail. Let's click on this. So this is the detail. This is the mail that we have received. This basically means that our integration is a success, but we also need to check the same in real time. So I'm going to go back to InstaMojo. I'm going to copy this link once again, open this in a new window. Let's make the payment once again. So this time, let's say the first name is new, the last name is demo. Then we have the email address, which is newdemo@pabblytuts.com. And then here we have the mobile number. Now let's click on proceed to pay. So here you can see that we have received the QR code. So I'm quickly going to make the payment. So here you can see the payment has been successful. Now as soon as this payment has been received, what should happen? Automatically the mail should be sent. Let's go and check our email. And yes, here you can see another mail has been sent. So this basically means that our integration is a complete success. Going back to Pabbly Connect, let's understand what's the process. So here our trigger application is InstaMojo, where the event is new sale, and our action application is Microsoft Office 365, where the event is sent mail. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.